Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Greek Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. So in this video today we're going to be filmed entirely from the drone. Now the cranes have gone, we can get a bit closer to the project so it'll give you a good idea of what is happening behind the boards, what you can't see from ground level. So in this video today we're going to be looking at what is the bridge deck is looking like now the concrete pour has been completed. We will have a look at what the foundations of the bridge are looking like at the moment. And we will have a look at the compounds now that the cranes have gone. Looking at the bridge deck now, this is just over Shaw Heath, just over the top of the Armoury pub. See, all the concrete is obviously all set, and they're digging down within the sides to the foundations. I've got a couple of close-ups coming up on that. This is filmed from the same distance, but I've just done a double zoom in on the drone. I think the central bit that looks like it's covered in sand, I think that has been left for the utilities to run through. If anybody does know for definite, please leave it in the comments. This is from the same location, still over the top of the Armoury pub Shaw Heath. I've just done the zoom in now on the foundations. See there where they done quite a bit of work to make it so it can match up to the road surface eventually. And the same on the other side. This is again double zoomed in, but we're over the top of Mercy and way over the top of the Edge UK building here. See, it's exactly the same as it was on the other side of the bridge. This is Mercy and Way looking towards the railway stations. You can see there a bit more of a normality. Now the massive crane has been dismantled and taken away. And same again looking down Shaw Heath towards Station Road. See there's still quite a lot going on in the compound, but a little bit more normality now the cranes have gone. Just a little overview of the entire project now. Now the cranes have gone, I can get back to doing the quick shots on the drone, which is where the drone spins around on its own automatically. And that's it for this one. This is the first video you've seen of mine on the project. Make sure you check out the playlist because I've been covering it since March and I will continue to cover it as far as I can. So if you can like, subscribe and share, I'd really appreciate it. Check out the other projects I'm covering at the moment on my channel and I'll catch you again in the next one. Thanks again everyone.